Okay, so interesting problem yesterday with the Model X. When I went to move off the driveway, it flashed up a bunch of errors about BMS and will not restart, low power, power reduced. So contacted Tesla through the app and on the number, and they were able to remotely diagnose it and say there is some kind of earth to ground type fault or short to ground that they can see on the app. So I've just to move the car out onto the road to make recovery a little bit easier later today, I was able to put it into tow mode, which takes the rear handbrakes off, and then got it into the road, squared it up so the recovery vehicle can come straight up in front of it and winch it on. There's the tow hook down here as well that you can screw in. That's going to make it a bit easier for them. And I've got a very slow trickle charger connected, which is just powering the auxiliaries. Just allows things like the doors to open and stuff like that. I'm not going to have much luck in preheating the car because all the high voltage stuff seems to be off. But yeah, I'm suspecting a 7-month-old 12-volt battery to be the culprit, but keep you all posted on it.